What's up sa inyo mga kalagarahe? Welcome back to our channel. New day, new build. Good day mga kalagarahe. So another episode na naman ng ating motor reveal. And then for this episode, we are happy na meron na naman tayong for Manila bound. So this bike is for Sir Router of Rizal. I think Kainta yan. So papaship natin tong bike to Port of Manila. So ang nangyari dito mga kalagarahe, he contacted me through Viber. So doon na kami nag-uusap sa specs ng build na gusto niya, and then yung hiling niya sana matapos sa pinag-usapan namin deadline kasi gagamitin niya daw sa prenup nila ng misis niya. So ayun mga kalagarahe, ang ginawa natin, tayo nag-provide ng base bike para sa kanya. So since walang original na, stock color na blue, so ang gagawin dito kay sir is ipaprocess niya to for change color sa registration. So we bought this bike, it is a Honda TMX 125. Under his name na po yun pag-purchase namin mga kalagaray. Just like our other clients. So, tayo na lang bali ang bibili ng base bike para sa kanila. So, in this build, this is a hybrid cafe racer. So, why hybrid? Kasi, as you can see, not a very typical cafe racer build of ours. So, it's most likely, it looks hybrid. In what sense? So, a mixture of a scrambler and a cafe racer was done to this build. For example, the tank, it's more of like for the scramblers and Vinduro and then sa tires. But yung general aesthetics and general geometry niya is we made it to look like a cafe racer. So we call this a hybrid cafe racer build. So for the specs, ano pa hinihintay natin? Let's get right into it. First off mga kalagaray, start tayo dito sa front. So, naka-digital speedometer na tayo. And then, our favorite na bar and side mirror. And then, favorite din natin na Vans handle grips. So, this is the truest tone sa leather, German leather natin. So, mamaya na yung seat. So, in this setup, for the TMX 125, kasi maliit nga yung fork, we used a telescopic fork for the Honda TMX 150 Supremo or GL 150 Honda. For the 333 and triple clamp, we used Honda TMX 155. So mix and match na yun mga kalagaray para makuha natin that it will fit the tires. So sa headlight, just a regular, very minimalist na yellow lens headlight, but we painted the body of the headlight para same sa blue tone ng other parts. And then silver to give it the accent. And as requested ni client, may grill. Sa turn signal light naman mga kalagarahe, our favorite na turn signal light. But pretty soon, this will not be our favorite since may bago tayong nahanap. So makikita na yun sa next builds, future builds natin. And then dito sa fork boots, why it looks nice? Because we used a Barako 175 na fork gaiters or fork boots. Ayan. For the fender, same pa din mga kalagarahe. Custom, handmade, aluminum fender. Converted to disc brake na sa harapan. And then, mamaya na tayo sa tires. Balik tayo sa itaas sa tank. So, this is a universal custom tank. So, mabibili niyo po ito mga kalagaray sa Red Indian Customs. So, the owner is a friend of mine. So, doon natin ito pinapurchase. And then, we've custom fitted it dito sa TMX. Dito naman, sa seat, it is a custom seat. Just like our other builds. Just look at the detail mga kalagaray. That's how we do it here. And then, LED strip. Our new favorite LED strip. Yung tail light. As you can see mga kalagarahe, bakit hindi pantay or medyo nakaangat yung U-bend? So, there's a purpose for that mga kalagarahe. So, it's a very uncanny way of installing a U-bend. For that's not how we usually put our U-bends. But on this build, the purpose of this is, pwede siya gawing, pwede siya gawing grab bar. So, you can grab onto this. So, when you turn the bike or you hold onto the bike, it could be a grab bar. So, that's the purpose of it mga kalagarahe. And, naked na din tong part na to as requested ni client. Kasi may nagawa na kasi kaming ganito dati, but not of the same exact specs. So, may mga nilagay tayong extra dito sa build na to. May mga special custom parts. So, I'll show it to you later. So, ito na yung battery box. So, that's powder coated. And then, sa carburetor mga kalagarahe, stock lang but very finely tuned. Kasi maganda tong stock eh. And then, we put the mushroom filter, stainless mushroom filter, para to protect the carburetor. And then, dito naman tayo sa engine. Stock lang mga kalagarahe, but this is the accent. May accent siyang silvers and blues and black. Sa bullet pipe, version 2 bullet pipe. And then dito naman sa shifter mga kalagarahe, this is our way or our take on putting a shifter with na naka-drum brake lang. Kasi medyo tricky siya eh, basta naka-drum brake lang. But how we did it, this is our take. Na maganda pa rin yung pag-brake or pag-tapak nyo sa pedal brake. Hindi masyadong stressed yung brake rod. So, that's our way. Very minimalist lang. Not too showy. So, minimalist way lang talaga yung ginawa natin dito. And then, our new version of the skid plate. As you can see mga kalagarahe. You'll see more of this soon or on our next build. So, naka-bead roll na po siya mga kalagarahe. Just like our other skid plates na custom made na ginawa. But this one, our new versions, nakaano na po siya mga kalagarahe, naka-dimple die. As you can see the details. So, it is much sturdier and stronger. Although it's made of aluminum. So, we annealed it first before we shape it. And then bead roll and naka-dimple die pa. So, grabe naman. So, it is a very sturdy skid plate. And at the same time, very lightweight. So, ang finish nito mga kalagarahe is powder coat na. Ayan. Same as with the other silver brackets. Gaya nung sa fender. But, yung blue mga kalagarahe, since custom mixed siya sa paint shop, so, ang ginawa natin dito mga kalagarahe, spray paint po yung mga blue. So, the swing arm, it is also extended. As you can see, dito po tayo nag-extend dyan. I don't know if you can notice it. And yung passenger footrest, same lang sa stock na nasa swing arm pa din, but we change it into aluminum para mag-match dito. So, by the way, the shifter is of Racing Boy. Ayun mga kalagarahe. And yung rear shocks niya, pinalitan na din natin yung stock kasi sobrang lambot ng stock. Dito naman sa rear fender mga kalagarahe, ayan, as you can see, we have this detachable na tire hugger. And it has a plate number bracket dyan mga kalagarahe. Ayan. So, dyan na yung plate number niya. So, yeah. Dito sa tank, ang paint job natin mga kalagarahe, matte. So, it is a metallic blue. I don't know if makita nyo po sa pag-zoom natin. Ayan, metallic blue po siya. And then, request ni client na dito yung Honda. Ayan. And then, for sure, may magtatanong na naman dito sa tires. So, the tires we use for this are 16s. So, it is a 16-inch rims and tires. 120 yung lapad. And, yeah, may diskarte lang talagang ginagawa dyan para mag-fit siya sa motor. And then, at the same time, it looks nice, di ba, na the concept was a hybrid cafe racer. And with this look, I think we achieved what we wanted to achieve. So, ayun mga kalagaray, I hope you liked our latest hybrid cafe racer build with a base bike of Honda TMX 125. So, ayun mga kalagaray, please don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page. Doon na po tayo mag-discuss sa details na sa gusto nyong mangyari sa build natin. And then, for more inquiries, doon na po lahat sa Facebook. Or you can, just like our client, you can contact us through WhatsApp or Viber. Ayun mga kalagarahe. Peace out!